Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen here at Friendship Shaving. I hope you're keeping very well today. I have a parcel with my name on it from those very nice people at Pearl Shaving. Some items for me to review on the channel. I've opened the box and taken some cellophane off the majority of the items, as I knew what was coming, but I get to show you what they've sent to me. I know they're having a little bit of a push recently, and I've sent a very similar package out to other gentlemen for an honest review, and I'll be glad to do that. So here we are. The main content there is the Pearl Slant safety razor. This was the only package that I didn't take the cellophane off. We'll try and do that now. One thing you can always guarantee with Pearl is that whatever they send is very well packaged indeed. Get that off. There we are. Comes in a nice sturdy box, and it slides out. We've got some excellent Willys razor blades. These are ultra smooth, and they are ultra smooth as well. These are excellent razor blades. I really like them. We have a cleaning cloth with Pearl written on it, and we have the razor. Oh, dropped something on the floor there. Now this is a chunky razor indeed. There we are, you can see. It's got a mark to line up the head cap with the guard plate. That is a really nice handle actually. That is heavy. The handle is made from 316 stainless steel. But there we are. That is the new slant razor from Pearl Shaving, which I shall look forward to reviewing. I'm going to just put that there for the moment. As well as that, they've kindly included some soap, some Sunrise Bliss, and that comes in a little tin with a very nice label on it. And there we are guys, got a foil. This is a nice touch. Piece of foil over the top, that takes me back in time. Nice little bit of shaving soap there, it is. That smells very nice. Very nice indeed. There's perhaps some citrus in there. I'll look into that a little more and let you know when I shave with it. There we are, and we have some post-shave lotion. Oh, and some shaving cream as well. That doesn't smell of much at the moment. I'm not picking up much of a scent with that. I'll look into that a little bit more. Yeah, shaving cream and aftershave balm. And we've got a brush as well. What they've asked me to do is to use the razor 1 week, the soap another week, those 2 items another week, and the brush another week. So they get a nice little run of products that I review, and I'll certainly be very pleased to do that. Very kind of them to send these items out and ask me for a review. I know they've done it with other gentlemen as well, but yeah, they're just looking for an honest review, and I'll be certainly glad to do that. And the first part of the review should be that I can't get the brush out of the box. Very well packed. There we are, we've got it. Of course, it's got the shaving guide, and this looks quite a large brush. There we are. It is a zebra style brush with a very big knot. It's quite a chunky brush there, and can you see there's a sort of pearlescence behind the stripe? Nice. So, to those nice people at Pearl, thank you very much, guys. Looking forward to reviewing these items, and to you fellows, I shall see you soon for a shave. Take good care now. All the very best. Bye bye.